that. I think that's fun. Because we live in a time that's very, very, I like the room for human error, I'll just say that. Yeah, this is deep cut. This is gonna be on my new record. This is called Trains, and I'll world debut right now. And the record's called All the Beauty, and it's out on July 24th. If you follow me on social media, you're inundated with it all the time. So you go, and if you don't know and you follow me on social media, I'm doing something very wrong. But yeah, let's try this. Don't ask why I climb the highest mountain to realize there's more to go. Tracing tears, all your self-deception, wondering what it's all for. And we couldn't stop the train. We could change the way we operated, but change is hard, so I'm told. Girls like that, they always drive you crazy in certain ways. They teach you well,